Gorant was founded in 1949. Through recent acquisitions, I've been involved with it for the past 2.5 years. But you've got a 60-year tradition of Gorant products in the Ohio, Pennsylvania region.
We're located in Boardman, Ohio, which is a suburb of Youngstown. Our company is Gorant Chocolatier. We're a manufacturer of fine confections and chocolates, and we basically sell to our wholesale accounts. We have retail stores. We also manufacture for private label customers, large and small, and in between. We also have fundraising, corporate, internet, and mail order business.
We probably manufacture about 1,000 SKUs. Probably half of those are everyday SKUs and the other half are seasonal SKUs. And then we have probably at any one time in our warehouse a total of about 4,000 SKUs.
Films for different flavors that we individually wrap, to bags for bag candy, to boxes, to layer pads, to the candy cups, to the wrapping papers for each of the seasons and everyday product, chocolate, all of your tree nuts, your peanuts, your other ingredients including corn syrups and oils that basically all go into manufacturing of the actual chocolate and confections themselves. But most of those SKUs are basically related to the packaging segment. We were owned by a very large greeting card company in Cleveland, Ohio. We were using their base system.
We were sold to a private ownership group, and our previous owner had given us till October of 2009 to remain on their software system. So that ran all our inventory, our sales orders, our AR. So we had just basically about 2 months before we had to be off their system and onto something new.
We had to make a quick change, and Syspro seemed to be the software of choice.
We chose Syspro for 2 main reasons. One is they were very well known in the food industry for their lot traceability modules, and that was something that we needed to have. The other was that they had a fast track implementation, which was something that we thought we could implement in a short amount of time, which was something that was a requirement for us. We did everything remotely via GoToMeeting sessions with the implementation team at Syspro, and we did all of that pretty much in the month of November, and we went live the Monday after Thanksgiving. So we basically did the whole implementation of at least the basic modules in just a bit over 3 weeks.
In our business, dealing with very large customers, large corporations, they require that you perform audits, a third-party audit on your facility once a year. They will also come in and conduct their own audit with their select group of QA people. Part of that is regulated under what they consider lot code traceability, which is mandatory under the bioterrorism laws. The whole point is you need to know where the product is coming from, one way in, one way out of your facility once it's manufactured.
We did it all manually before. It was all on spreadsheets or handwriting on our delivery notes to our customers, and it just took a lot of labor and to do that. And if we were ever faced with a recall, I think it would have taken us a great deal of time to actually trace where those finished products went.
Syspro basically gives us that edge of being able to use it and meet their criteria of having a 2-hour recall and knowing where all of our product has been destined to.
We actually just had an audit, a third-party audit a couple of weeks ago, and they did a mock recall. They came in and he chose just a random production day, a random product, and he said, "I need you to tell me where this product went." And so it was actually a product that was a private label product that we make, and it actually goes into another product. So it was like a multi-level traceability we had to do, and we were able to trace all the sales orders, and we did that in about 40 minutes.
Well, One of the biggest changes that was brought in implementing Syspro software was the ability to look at our job structures and our true manufacturing costs associated with manufacturing each one of our different products. Before, we didn't have any controls in place. It was basically a guess estimate on time studies. Now, with the ability to actually put jobs together, we basically have controls of looking at where our losses and waste are occurring in raw materials and packaging materials.
Syspro has been very positive for us. It gave us a manufacturing system that we never had before, which has allowed us to control costs better, manage our inventories better, because we can only buy what we need to buy and only make what we need to make. The lot traceability has given us the ability to manufacture for some large private label customers who require you to have that traceability.
It's been absolutely very favorable.
The Syspro implementation team was very great to work with. Even though our implementation leader at Syspro was never actually physically at our plant, we were able to do the remote sessions, and they were effective. Everybody here learned it, and we were able to get through our busy season, which amazes me that we started a new software December 1st of that year, and we're able to get through that Christmas season and with very few hiccups. And we had great support if we were having challenges with something. The feedback, the help that we got from Syspro was always very effective and efficient. My name is Marianne Urich, and I am the purchasing manager and was the project manager for the Syspro implementation at Gorant Chocolatier.
My name is Jack Palusi. I'm the Director of Operations for Gorant Chocolatier.
I'm Joe Miller, the owner and managing member of the LLC of Gorant Chocolatier.